Season the fish with salt and turmeric. Sear both sides in oil until golden. Add 1 cup of boiling water with pomegranate paste and let it simmer for 1 hour. Cook the rice halfway. In the last 5 minutes, add the mixed herbs for rice and let all the water evaporate. Then pour a little oil into a mold, arrange the fish inside. Mix an egg yolk, yogurt, salt, and saffron solution. Add 4 tablespoons of parboiled white rice, mix well, and pour over the fish. Then add a layer of herb rice mixture, smooth and compress the surface, and place a few cloves of garlic on top. Let it steam over very low heat for 45 minutes. To prepare the filling, finely chop the onions, sauté until golden. Add grated garlic and spices, then add chopped cilantro with 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves and sauté. Finally, add the pomegranate paste. You can either layer the filling over the rice or serve it alongside. Enjoy!